With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is a cell organelle with folded inner membrane is disrupted with ultrasonic beaker. Its fragment can synthesize ATP. The organelle is option are ribosome, centrosome, chloroplast, mitochondria. So first, if we'll see the first part of the statement, a cell organelle with folded inner membrane. So it means it is a cell organelle with inner membrane. If they have mentioned folded inner membrane, it means it is a membrane bound organelle, because that's why its inner membrane is disrupted. That it means it is a clear cut membrane bound organelle. And second thing, if we'll note it carefully, they have mentioned inner membrane. It means it is a double membrane bound organelle which is having the both inner membrane as well as outer membrane. If it would have been simple membrane, then they have been written the membrane. They haven't mentioned inner. If they have mentioned inner, it means there is outer membrane also. It is a double membrane bound organelle. Second part is its fragment can synthesize ATP. So first statement they have mentioned, second they have mentioned it help in the synthesis of ATP. Its fragment can synthesize the ATP. Synthesis of ATP. Now this clue is just sufficient for us to identify the name of that organelle, that is the mitochondria, because the only organelle which help in the synthesis of the ATP is the mitochondria. Otherwise, just by first statement we can't say that it is a which organelle, because there are other double membrane bound organelle. But synthesis of ATP, it is well sufficient evidence to tell us this is a mitochondria, because mitochondria is the only organelle which is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse of cell, why it is called as? Because it synthesizes the energy currency of the cell, ATP. Its inner membrane, mitochondria inner membrane surface, it called as the enfoldings of inner membranes of the mitochondria, that is called as the cristae. Cristae is the inner membrane enfoldings which contain the elementary particle or F1 or F0 or F1 particle which help in the ATP synthesis. Elementary particle or F1, F0, F1 particle or oxysomes which help in the synthesis of ATP. So we can clearly tell that this is the mitochondria, that is the organelle they are talking about. If we see the option is ribosome. Ribosome is incorrect. Firstly, it is not at all a membrane bound organelle, so we can reject that. And secondly, it is not involved in ATP synthesis. It is an organelle involved in the protein synthesis and it is membrane lacking organelle. So this is very incorrect option here. Next we are having the centrosome. Centrosome again incorrect, because again similar to ribosome, it is membrane lack organelle. It is a non-membranous organelle and it is involved in the cytoskeleton. It forms the microtubule organization center. So this is also incorrect. Chloroplast, yes, chloroplast we can say that it is a double membrane bound organelle. So with first clue we can't say that which organelle is it. But now we know the ATP synthesis, that is not the function of chloroplast. Chloroplast is involved in the photosynthesis. So on that basis we can say that this is definitely not an answer, because they have mentioned ATP synthesis also. Last is mitochondria, that is our correct. Option D is correct. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.